So we're going to a point called the Sun-Earth L2 point. It's 1 million miles away from the Earth on the opposite side of the Sun. And it's a place where the gravity of the Sun and the gravity of the Earth combine to make a relatively stable point that follows the Earth around the Sun every 365 days. So if we go out there and we put up a sun shield, a big umbrella, from that location we can block out the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon at the same time. This is obviously no ordinary umbrella. The 5 individual layers are made of a almost plastic-like material called Kapton. 200,000 watts of solar radiation strikes the hot side, and the sun shield will only allow about 0.02 watts to get through. If it were suntan lotion, it would have a solar protection factor of about 10 million. So the telescope and the instruments are exposed to cold space.
The Webb telescope is the most difficult scientific project we've ever undertaken. It's got to unfold itself in space.
James Webb is obviously not going to fit on the top of a rocket, so something that's that big has to be folded. A consequence of this folding up is that we have to be able to do the deployment in orbit. Once we're above the atmosphere, the fairing drops away and James Webb is then sitting alone on top of the rocket, shooting towards the Moon and out to its final orbit. The solar panels have to come out very quickly to power it. Over the next 29 days, there's a whole sequence of activities that happen. The very large sun shield has to be pulled out and be separated, and that is an amazingly intricate series of steps.